Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is again unboxing video and we are unboxing my brand new designer bag, which I am really excited. Yes, I am. I am really excited to show you and unbox. Here's the bag, and unbox the bag and show you the bag. I really wanted to own designer bag and I was really doubting to buy either. I will put it here, like the new trendy Prada nylon bag, which is here. It might look really boring, but I like it just because I think it matches my style. The only thing that I don't like about the bag is the material, the nylon, but when I think about it, okay, maybe it's some material, this material will be also really friendly to use and easy to use on a daily basis. So I was thinking to purchase this one. My husband, he was not happy with that because he saw it in person and he didn't like it, but I think it's super cute. I mean, it's versatile, you can wear it with the chain, also with the strap. It's really cool, don't get me wrong, I like it. But then on the other side I have my dream bag, which is a Chanel medium double flap bag, which looks like this. I have tried it a couple of times in the Chanel store here in Zurich and I was not that excited when I put it on myself. Crossbody, but there is something about this bag that I just don't think that matches my style and also my vibe right now. So I was like, and also this year with the corona and stuff, Chanel raised their prices with $1,000, which is insane. Like, this bag is already so expensive and they raised the price with $1,000. Also my husband, I say always my husband, but I think that he has a great sense of style and he really picks the best, like, clothes, shoes. I mean, in general he has a great taste, so I'm always asking for his opinion. So yeah, he was like, okay, I don't think the Chanel bag also is nice for you. He said that it's like a grandma bag in a way. It's classic. I mean, I know what he means, like it's not that modern and stuff. So I was like, and now the price of the Chanel double flap is like 6,400 francs, which is insane. A long story short, today I purchased the Saint Laurent. Okay, I am pronouncing the name for sure wrong. Excuse me, I'm not French speaking or good with names. So it's the Yves Saint Laurent, Yves Saint Laurent, okay, Yves Saint Laurent bag is the college medium bag. I'll show you right now. I really want to unbox it here on the channel and then be able to wear it. Here is the beautiful bag that it comes with. I'm really excited. Here is the gorgeous bag it comes with. Oh my god. So pretty. We have this. I'll come closer. This is the box. The other side you have cute detail. I mean, it's gorgeous. Okay. Here you go. Ta-da! Oh no. Here it is. Here it is. You have this bag for afterwards to storage it. And here you go. This is the bag. Okay guys, this is the bag. I think it's super pretty. I think it's super nice. I mean, I think it's perfect. We have the college medium in quintet leather, which is really nice leather. You don't need to be super gentle with it. So I will read a bit here on the website. This is a monogram Saint-Laurent bag decorated with chevron, quilted over stitching and metal initials, featuring a top handle, this one, which I like a lot. Also removable chain, which I'll show you in a bit, and leather shoulder strap. Can be worn crossbody. And this one, exactly, it's in black. So here you have the initials, they are all black. The chain is black because they have the same one with a gold chain, gold initials, also in silver changed silver initials. This one is in black extra, that's why the price is a little bit higher. I have a thing about black, and I am really happy with the choice. You have this top handle, which I really like, and I think I will like wear it mostly with it, only with top handle. I think it's super nice. I will show you. Like, I have this leather pants, but yeah, you get the idea. I think it's super cute. Like this. And also on the other side you have a pocket. Here you have pocket which fits my iPhone XS, which is pretty huge, so you can basically put it inside. I think it's super nice because I'm always looking for my phone, and now I have it right here, so it's super practical. Yes, so I have the phone, and let's open it, and you have the chain. I'll show you inside. It's pretty roomy, I think. I mean, for sure I can put in my wallet, my sunglasses. Yep, it's spacey, roomy inside. And here you go, you have the chain with leather detail. Here again the initials, the black chain. I mean, again, if you get it in silver or gold, you get also the same cover. So this one is black. Like this. And voila! I'll show you right now. I will include footage of me wear it crossbody or just on my shoulder, but I think this bag is super pretty. I think I can match it. I can style it in so many ways. I think I can wear it with sneakers, with boots, with sandals in summer. Every day, also as an evening bag, only with the top handle. I think the size is really nice. If you ask me if I regret getting this one instead of the Chanel medium flap, I'm not sure. At this point, I think I like this one better. Maybe in the future, when I get the chance or the opportunity to get it, I will get it for sure because I think it's a classic and timeless. This one is more like the salesman told me in the store. It's more a rock and roll style, and at this point I think it matches my style perfectly. You saw my last purchase, the design, the Prada shoes sneakers. I think they're super cool and grungy and edgy, and this one it will go perfectly with them. The only concern I have is this gap here, because I read some reviews online and some people are complaining that there is a gap here. I don't think you can see it, but here, yeah, I can put my fingers, both fingers in it. I don't think that it will be an issue. I excuse the chain sound, but yeah, super pretty. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Do you like it? Did I make the right choice? Let me know in the comments. It's super light. It's not heavy at all. If I remember well, the Chanel one, the classic flap, it's really, the double flap is heavy, like the leather. Maybe the leather, the design, the chain, I don't know. But this one is really lightweight. And I like this in a bag, to be lightweight, because I'm lazy. I need to finish this video because I wear these leather pants and it's super hot. It's 30 degrees outside and I need something to drink. I need to change. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know. Also follow me on Instagram. It's Mariya Marinova. You can see a lot of outfit pictures with the bag and me, myself. Follow me there, say hi, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one.